Today, we will talk about how to start a maid service business. Let's have a look at the details. With the residential and commercial cleaning industry generating more than $78 billion in revenue each year, you might consider starting a maid service of your own. You will have control over the number of hours that you work and will be able to decide which clients you take on. If you own your own business, you will also get to decide who to hire as your employees and how to brand your business to the community. With some time, money, and preparation, you can have a successful career running a maid service. The first step is designing a business plan. Decide if you want to run your own business. Owning a maid service requires much more thought and planning than just buying some cleaning supplies. Define your budget. One of the key components of your business plan is your budget or the amount of money you have to invest in your business. Write down your unique selling point. It is likely that you won't be the only maid service available in your area. Define a customer service plan. So much of the cleaning industry is based on customer service. Set your price. Your price should be competitive enough that you won't lose potential clients, but high enough that you can still make a profit. The second step is implementing your business plan. Hire high-quality staff. The cleaning industry has a very high turnover rate, an average of 300%. Market your business. If you have worked in the cleaning industry previously, you might already have a loyal following of customers who can use word of mouth to market your new business. Seek out your target market. Your target market is your core demographic of clients. And the third step is nurturing your business. Hire an accountant and a lawyer. An accountant can give you great advice on how to grow your business financially, and a lawyer can keep your legal interests protected as your business grows. Get CIMS certified. The Cleaning Industry Management Standard Certificate is generally not required to expand your business, but you will find that it gives you much more credibility within your profession. Expand your business. As you grow and gain more income, consider expanding your business into other cities in your state. If you have upper-level members of your staff, you can consider making them responsible for another branch of your business. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.